Check out your new antenna, my friend. Fucking leave it there. Go on and just pull a branch off and we're down in there. Fucking. Go green, motherfuckers. Put that down. Where'd your nut go? I don't know. They finally dropped. We're looking for us nuts. It's all the way up underneath there. I'll get you another one. I got multiple nuts. Hey, give me my nut. Sorry, sir.
He wants some new ones since he got his clipped.
Fuck you!
No thanks.
We were trying to find a tree branch. Hey, this will work.
Getting a leafy one.
Yes! Canadian, eh?
You almost hit him with it.
Almost doesn't count. He in good shape.
Hey, cute knife.
Yay!
That's interesting.
We gotta get more.
Austin's taking a shit over there.
I trimmed the tree a little bit more.
Corey, why are you like this?
I usually like this in the mornings.
A hyper ass motherfucker.
He's so goofy to disguise how depressed he actually is inside.
I know.
I'm usually pretty good at that too, so.
We have something in common! Oh.
You're coming, what?
I'm coming!
I don't think that's going in the hole. You might have to get a little thinner.
I'll show you something that'll go in the fucking hole.
We're not talking about your dick.
It probably would fit in there.
Maybe, must be one tiny pecker.
It is.
I remember
Right here in
the
the new
first
top.
time that we even tried to do anything. I was like, is it gonna fit?
Fuck, no, it's too small. I gotta pick a wall.
This is called a redneck lowering kit. Step 1. You take 2 fat ass motherfuckers and you just go over here and you just plop down on the fucking trunk like this. And that's it.
I heard something pop up here.
It was the drink on the roof.
So instead of redoing your tire shine all the time,
Your tires stay glossy all the time.
you just plastic dip that bitch. First you get a can that ain't fucking out.
Hey, no littering. I'll take that and throw it back at you. Hey, Corey. No.
Christ, you sweaty bastard. You fucking rubbed against me and I got like 4 pounds of sweat on my fucking fingers.
Then they painted the trunk too.
We plastic dip.
All right, plasti dip, whatever.